can do this.
Independence is a good thing. That's why we've developed Lynx Solar, a state-of-the-art wireless HD security camera powered by the sun. With no need for a power outlet, you can easily mount Lynx Solar anywhere you have sun and Wi-Fi coverage. Then, when you're out, just open our app, and in seconds, you're connected with real-time video streaming to your mobile device. You'll have instant access to vibrant HD video during the day or night with our powerful night vision performance. With the latest in solar panel technology and the long-lasting battery capacity, our durable cameras will continue monitoring, even if there's not much sunlight or there's an unexpected power outage. So rain or shine, you can keep an eye on your property or check in on your loved ones. The high-quality two-way audio feature makes it easy to stay in touch.
Daddy, we lost our ball.
Don't worry, honey, we'll find it.
You can even track who's coming and going with our innovative facial recognition technology. You'll get instant alerts when the camera detects motion. Save friends and family in your library and personalize your settings and alerts. Back up and review your videos with our cloud storage, included with your purchase. It's free, so you can always see what's happened in the previous 7 days. Intelligent and independent, Lynx Solar provides peace of mind and confidence like never before. Lynx, the easiest way to tend to what matters most.
Amazon Basics is our house brand or our private label that provides everyday items to our customers at a value. We're able to offer our customers a value because we focus our costs on things that matter to customers, like high-quality products and materials, and not focusing our costs on areas that don't matter to customers, like marketing or distribution expenses. Quality is really important for our Amazon Basics product. We ensure we have high-quality products by having a dedicated team that finds the best factories. After the products are manufactured, we partner with independent testing laboratories to ensure that our products are produced to our high-quality standards. Our dedicated factory team also regularly reviews the factories to make sure that they're abiding by the high-quality standards. Ultimately, we measure our success by making sure our customers love our products, and we measure that by high customer review ratings. We are continuously looking at customer feedback to improve the quality and design of our products. Amazon Basics strives to be a trustworthy brand by delivering high-quality products at low prices.
Ring makes simple ways to protect and watch over your home, because safer homes mean safer neighborhoods. Introducing Stick-Up Cam by Ring, a next-generation indoor-outdoor security camera that keeps you connected to your home and family.
Hey, Dad. Hey, honey. Remember, Eli's recitals at 7.
I'll be there.
Motion-activated notifications alert you to the things you need to know.
Can I help you?
Stick-Up Cam keeps an eye on things when you're not there and gives you peace of mind when you are. Combine Stick-Up Cam with your Ring alarm and other Ring cameras to create a complete ring of security around your home. Stick-Up Cam works seamlessly with your Amazon Echo devices.
Alexa, show me the pool.
So you can be doing anything while still keeping an eye on everything. Stick-Up Cam is available in wired, power over Ethernet, solar, and battery options, making it easy to install in any home. So get smart about your home security with the easy-to-use, anywhere, anytime Stick-Up Cam by Ring.